LPT birds can give you a lot of useful information just by listening to them. As I'm listening to the birds, I realize not a lot of people know this. You can tell a lot about weather and other animals just by listening to birds. I'm not sure how city birds such as pigeons work with this tip, so let me know. A few things you can tell are: 1. Birds go crazy when there is a snake nearby. I don't mean like mating season crazy, I mean constantly screaming and sometimes dive bombing the actual snake. Use this to locate the snake and keep yourself or your family safe. 2. Birds go to sleep when rain is coming and stay quiet in their nests. 3. If it is raining and the birds are still loud outside, the rain is going to continue for a long time, 8-10 plus hours. They're basically panicking and trying to solve the problem of running out of food soon.